Hello students, in class 11th we will revise question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 of section B of your paper, and in section B very first reading section is here, and one passage is given here for note making and summarization. So passage I am reading here for you. People tend to amass possessions sometimes without being aware of doing so. They can have a delightful surprise when they find something useful which they did not know they owned. Those who never have to change house become indiscriminate collectors of what can only be described as clutter. They leave unwanted objects in drawers, cupboards, and attics for years in the belief that they may one day need them. Old people also accumulate belongings for two other reasons: lack of physical and mental energy and sentiment. Things owned for a long time are full of association with the past, perhaps with the relatives who are dead, and so they gradually acquire a sentimental value. Some things are collected deliberately in an attempt to avoid wastage. Among these are string and brown paper kept by thrifty people when a parcel has been opened. Collecting small items can be a mania. A lady cuts out from newspapers sketches of model clothes that she would like to buy if she had money. As she is not rich, the chances are that she will never be able to afford such purchases. It is harmless habit, but it litters up her desk. Collecting as a serious hobby is quite different and has many advantages. It provides relaxation for leisure hours, as just looking at one's treasure is always a joy. One doesn't have to go out for amusement, as the collection is house at home. Whatever it consists of: stamps, records, first edition of books, china, there is always something to do in connection with it, from finding the right place for the latest edition to verifying facts in reference books. This hobby educates one not only in the chosen subject but also in general matters which have some bearing on it. There are other benefits also. One gets to meet like-minded collectors to get advice, compare notes, exchange articles, to show off one's latest find, etc. So one's circle of friends grown. Soon the hobby leads to traveling, perhaps a meeting in another town, possibly a trip abroad in search of a rare specimen, for collectors are not confined to one country. Over the years, one may well become an authority on one's hobby and will probably be asked to give informal talks to little gatherings and then, if successful, to larger audiences. Now, questions are there. Question A is: on the basis of your understanding of the above passage, make notes on it using headings and subheadings. Use recognizable abbreviation wherever necessary. Minimum 4, and format you consider suitable. Also supply an appropriate title to it, and this contains 5 marks. And part B of your question is: write a summary of the passage in about 80 words, and this summarization contains 3 marks. So this is the question number 1, and now I will read question number 2 of writing section. You are Geetanjali Ahuja. the head girl of Blossoms Public School, Gulbarga. Write a notice in about 50 words informing the students about an inter-class debate competition to be held in the school in the first week of April, and this contains 3 marks. Or you have option here, you are Raghav oblique Richa, head boy oblique head girl of your school. Your school has decided to organize a blood donation camp for the parents. Write a notice in 50 words asking the students to inform and persuade their parents about the same. And now question number 3 is, as a president of the Residents Welfare Association of Sector 15A Noida, design a poster in not more than 50 words for promoting cleanliness in the surroundings of your colony. Or you have an option here, you are president of your school theatre club. Your club is organizing a play, The Miser, to help victims of the earthquake. Design a poster informing the students about this play. Invent necessary details, and this contains 3 marks. Question number 4. Write a letter to Lightweight Sports, Amrapali, Thane, placing an order for sports articles, minimum 4 to be supplied to your school. ABC Matriculation School, Civil Lines, Pune. Sign as Ravi oblique Ravina, Sports Secretary, and this should be written in 120 to 150 words, and this question contains 5 marks. Or you have an option here, you live in a crowded area in Mumbai. Unauthorized parking of vehicles in your area is causing a lot of inconvenience to the locals. Write a letter to the police commissioner of the district complaining against this practice. You are Raghav oblique Ravina of Sakinaka, Mumbai, and this should be written in 120 to 150 words. And now question number 5 is, media has a strong hold on society. Write a speech in 120 to 150 words on how media influences public opinion to be delivered in school assembly. Or you have an option here, the government has banned the use of animals in the laboratories for the purpose of dissection. Write a debate in 120 to 150 words either for or against the decision, and this question also contains 5 marks.